Speaker, sir, pollution threat due to mishandling of bauxite cargo at Mormugao port. Attention of the House is drawn to the grave and unacceptable situation faced by the residents of Mormugao due to the reckless handling of bauxite cargo at Mormugao port by Delta Port Mormugao Terminal Private Limited. The handling of dirty cargo for Miss Hindalgo Company Belgaum has resulted in widespread air and dust pollution, directly endangering the health of the people living in Destero, Baina, Bogda, Jeti, Rumdawada, Headland, Sada and surrounding areas. Fine bauxite dust is reportedly spreading into the homes, schools, public spaces and streets, contaminating the environment and exposing residents to serious respiration and other health hazards. Speaker, sir, in just under a month, experimentally around 2,29,304 metric tons of bauxite was being openly handled at berth number 10 and 11, stacked without any water sprinkle or dust mitigation measures, and transported via road to Belgaum, causing severe air pollution along the route. Despite repeated complaints from citizens, the authorities and the company have failed to take adequate action, showing a blatant disregard for public health and environmental law. Step the government intend to take in this regard. Speaker, sir, तुमका खबर असतले की यो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन तुमच्या सावड्यासून वयता आणि अख्खे पॉल्युशन जाता.
आमदार मेन्शन केले झाले.
स्पीकर सर, हेजेर बेगीनच्या बेगीन एक्शन जावची नाल्यार हे एनवायरमेंटलाक आमकां त्रास आसा, कित्याक हे केन्ना थंयसर ओपनली हँडल जायनासले ते डीप सीयान हँडल जाताले. सो हे जे आता पोर्टान भितर येवन हँडल करपाक लागले
मेन्शन झाले तुमच्या ब्युरोवर.